Is it too late to become a YouTuber? Welcome back to Review Rundown. In this video, we will discuss why it's not too late to become a YouTube content creator. So let's get into the video. YouTube's user base continues to expand, and it's not showing signs of slowing down. Millions of people watch videos on the platform every day, creating a vast and diverse audience eager to discover new content. While some popular niches on YouTube may seem saturated, there are always untapped topics and communities waiting to be explored. Finding a unique angle or catering to a specific interest can help you stand out and attract a dedicated following. YouTube values content quality and viewer engagement more than sheer quantity. Focus on producing well-crafted, engaging videos that offer value to your audience, and you can still gain traction regardless of when you start. As a content creator, your personality and style play a significant role in attracting an audience. Authenticity and a genuine connection with viewers can be powerful tools to build a loyal fan base, even if you're just starting out. YouTube's algorithm evolves over time, presenting fresh opportunities for new creators. Even if certain types of content are dominant now, future algorithm updates might favor different formats or approaches, giving you a chance to gain visibility. Remember that success on YouTube takes time, effort, and consistency. It's essential to be patient and continuously improve your content based on audience feedback. Focus on creating content that you're passionate about, and with dedication and persistence, you can find success as a YouTube content creator. If you give up on things, you'll never get it done. So make sure you stick to it no matter what others say as well. The best advice I can give you is to enjoy what you do and worry about the income after. I know everyone says this, but it's true. If you only do it for the money, then you will get bored. I hope this video motivates you all to begin your YouTube journey. If you have any questions you'd like us to answer, let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more content.